Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today I am going to take poem What If of lesson number 9, and this poem is composed by Srel Silverstein. What is Shell Silverstein? And in this poem, we have to understand that what is the meaning of what if. What if means अगर ऐसा हुआ तो. In Hindi I am telling so that you can be able to understand. If it had happened then. अगर ऐसा हुआ तो. What if? Because this is a poem being composed by a little girl, and especially during the childhood, this type of the imaginations crept in our mind. Crept means comes in our mind. Because I am taking the lines which are given here. Are there times when your mind fills with fear? There is a one question here. Is there any time when your mind has fills with fear? Fear means Have you ever thought? Sometime have you ever thought about it? What if something dangerous happened to me or the people around me? What if समथिंग डेंजरस हैपन? यदि ऐसा कुछ हुआ मेरे साथ में या मेरे चारों द पीपल दोज हु आर लिविंग, व्हाट इफ है, व्हाट इफ मीन्स यदि ऐसा हुआ तो. समटाइम्स वी इमेजिन व्हाट इफ द वर्ल्ड स्टॉप्स रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन. And here the poet is thinking, the little girl is thinking, what if the world stops revolving around the sun? Means the earth stops revolving the sun. What if अगर ऐसा हुआ तो क्या होगा? What if the sun does not rise in the morning? And what will happen if the sunrise does not sun does not rise in the morning? What will happen? So there is several things are coming in the mind of the child, little girl, and she is thinking that same thing, if same thing happening with her, then what will happen with her? Here is a poem which talks about some more what ifs. There are the lines are given here next, and we have to see these more what ifs which are present in this poem. We have to study these, we have to go through. Number one I am taking here. Last night while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear. Means the little girl Shel Silverstein is thinking here, telling here that last night while she was laying on the bed, she was thinking there. She was thinking some what if words entered in her ear. Crawled means crept in her ear, means walking slowly in her ear. And not only crept in her ear, what did they do? And pranced and partied all night long. They started springing and enjoying the party, dancing and enjoying the party all night long in her ear. And what is sang their same old what if song. And these what if thoughts continuously sang a song. And what kind of song? What if song. all night, whole night, these what if song sangs in her ear. Students, you know, what if I am dumb in school? Means this was the introduction of a poetess, and Cyril Sebastian. Now I am taking here, what if I am dumb in school? She is giving first statement, अगर वो स्कूल में डम्ब हो गई, गूंगी हो गई, तो what will happen with her? Means if she is dumb in school, what will happen with her? Number next, what if here? What if they have closed the summer swimming pool? And what will happen with her? What will happen if her school closed swimming pool? What will happen with her? Next, what if is here? What if I get beat up? And she started thinking that what will happen if she would get a punishment. She would get a punishment. And further, what if I get beat up? Next is here, what if there's poison in my cup? And she further started thinking what will happen with her if there is a poison in her cup. If there is a poison in her cup, what will happen with her? What if I start to cry? Further, she is telling that what will happen if she starts crying. She is having a doubts in her mind and fear in her mind, because she is a small child and she does not know what will happen. She was thinking only about it. She is thinking about it also. Further, what if I get sick and die? Further, she is telling here that if she would get sick and die, then what will happen with her? What will happen? What if I flunk that test? And she started thinking that if she would fail in her test, then what will happen? Next number, what if green hairs grows on her chest? And what will happen if the green hairs grows on her chest? What will happen with her? She doesn't know about this one. Next is also, what if nobody likes me? Further, what if coming here, that if nobody like her? This is also, what if a bolt of lightning strikes me? And what will happen if the bolt of light strikes me? Means यदि बिजली गिर जाती है तो what will happen with her? What if I don't grow taller? And she further starting thinking that what will happen with her if she doesn't grow is taller. And next one is here, what if my head starts getting smaller? And what would happen if her head starts getting, means forehead, what is forehead means matha, getting smaller also. Start. So what will happen? And next one also, what if the fish won't bite? And what will happen? The fish which is living in the water stop by biting. What if the wind tears up my kite? And what will happen if the wind tears her kite? What will happen there? Next number, what if they start a war? And the people, those who are living around her, starts a war here, fighting. What will happen there? Further, next is telling here, what if my parents get divorced? Poetess here telling, little girl is thinking that what will happen if her parents get divorced? Divorce means legally separated. है ना? Divorce means we can say here talaq. if legally it's separated, what will happen there? And next number is, what if the bus is late? Further she started thinking that if her bus is late, what will happen with her? What will happen? And what if my teeth don't grow in straight? She is thinking that if her teeth are not growing straight, growing zigzag and not irregular way, what will happen with her? And what if I tear my pants? And she started thinking that if her pant is torn out, then what will happen? What will happen with her? Now, what if I never learn to dance? She further thinking here that what will happen if she did not learn a dance? Means she does not learn a dance. So what will happen? And never learn a dance. Not only one day, never learn a dance. Then what will happen with her? Next number, everything seems swell, and then the night time, what if strikes again, and everything looks her around her, whatever things are present is she is looking as a swell, means as a in a danger. And she again, when night comes, the what if words came in her ears, and again started striking her. Sebastian is thinking these words because this is the thinking of a small child, little girl. Such things a tender mind always thinks. Tender means very soft mind, and the little girl is having a soft mind. That is why she is thinking so. Students, you have to see, but these are not happening. Such what if words are the little girl thinking. This is not happening properly. This is not confirmed. This is not possible to be happened, because the things comes and be in better condition. So you have not to think like this. You have to be positive, because here negativity is coming in her mind, doubts are coming in her mind. That is why she is thinking such a way, and she is in a fear. Students, this poem is very interesting but meaningless. We cannot see here, we are not getting any kind of morals from this poem. So students, you have to think always, you have to be positive always, and the things which are going around us are good for goodness for us now, means provide goodness. So you have not to worry about it. Okay students, I hope this poem is confirmed to you. Very simple poem is here. You have to read many times and it will be confirmed to you. Okay, we will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.